Moroccan cuisine is famous for its unique blend of flavors and spices. Today, we're going to take a look at some of the most popular Moroccan dishes. Tagine is a stew that's cooked slowly in a clay pot. It's a staple dish in Moroccan cuisine. The secret to a great tagine is in the spices. Moroccan cuisine is known for its use of unique and flavorful spices. Moroccan cuisine often combines sweet and savory flavors, like in this tagine. The tagine is left to cook slowly, allowing the flavors to blend together. Couscous is made from semolina and is a staple in Moroccan cuisine. Couscous is often served with tagine and is the perfect complement to the savory dish. Moroccan cuisine is not just about the food, but also about the culture and hospitality that goes along with it. Moroccan tea is often served to guests as a sign of hospitality. Moroccan cuisine is a beautiful blend of flavors and culture, and is a must-try for any food lover.